Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to increase your snap score very fast. It's really easy to do, and it increases your score very fast. So you want to start obviously on the Snapchat app. I'm just going to show you guys I'm starting with 466 snap score right now. So what you want to do to start this off is you want to go to your search and just put in random letters. So I'm just going to type in random letters and you just want to subscribe to the top people. I genuinely recommend you get at least 15, 20, maybe 30, but you can get really however much you want. Like you can get as many as you want. So I'm just going to do probably 20 for the tutorial's sake. Let's do G. All right, so I got about 20 there. So once you got your accounts, however many you want to get, you want to click cancel. And then what you're going to do is you're going to want to click on the picture button and just send a blank picture. And then what you're going to do is click on the arrow. And the thing here is if you're on your main account, you obviously don't want to send it to all the people that you know and a bunch of people that you're friends with. You want to send it to just those accounts that you just subscribe to do this trick. So what you do is you just click out those ones. I know it might be a pain in the butt right now to just click on those accounts because you have a lot of friends. But I'd click on those accounts right now because all you can do after that is just continuously click next snap. And then it will send it to just those people. So I'm just going to show you an example. I'm just going to click on a bunch of people right now because this is just an account for tutorials for me. I don't actually use this account. So I'm just going to click on a bunch of random people just like that. And I'll send this snap to those people. And then what I'm going to do right away is just take another picture instantly and just go last snap. So that's going to make sure that it only sends it to the last group of people that you selected for a snap. So that ensures it's not going to go to anyone that you actually know. And you're just going to continuously be able to send it and get tons of score. You can see how fast I'm doing it right now. I'm just clicking picture, snap, last snap. So it's like within 4 clicks, I'm doing it all over again. And it's like just a cycle that you continuously can do to get snap score. And obviously, like the more accounts you click, the bigger and more score you're going to get each time you click these buttons. So it's totally up to you. The opportunity is limitless. So right after you're done doing this multiple times, just like this, you can click on your account and check. I recommend usually giving it a little bit of a break, like 30 seconds between your last snap sent and when it would update. What I recommend doing as well is just clicking or actually closing your app. So we can just go close it and go back on it. And you can see right there I have 846 snap score, so I've gained around 400 snap score since we just started this video. But you can see what I mean by you can do it as much as you want, and you can get as much snap score as you want very fast. Anyhow, I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials and tricks. Thanks for watching.